Hey, boys and girls, and welcome to today's social studies lesson. Yesterday, we were talking about needs and wants. Today, we're talking about goods and services. So, I can determine the importance of goods and services. So, thinking about goods and services in our own community. So, we're going to watch a video, and then we're going to go over some goods and services, and I'll show you your seesaw activity. All right, let's get started.
Isn't this exciting, Moby? Everyone's selling stuff to raise money for new computers. What are you selling? You're selling signed photos of yourself? What are goods? People buy and sell different kinds of goods. Goods are things that are made or grown. Clothes, computers, and cars are examples of goods that are manufactured or built or made. Fruits and vegetables are goods that are grown. Many goods come from natural resources. Wood is a natural resource that we use to make goods, like paper and pencils, furniture, and homes. But some people and businesses don't sell goods. What are services? A service is work that someone does for someone else. A dentist, babysitter, and a bus driver are people who offer services. A teacher provides the service of teaching. A firefighter provides the service of keeping people safe. I'm offering a dog walking service to people in our community. Some goods and services are made or offered locally. But goods and services can come from other parts of the country or from other countries. A producer is someone who makes or grows goods or offers services. You're selling photos, so you're a producer. I'm offering a dog walking service, so I'm a producer too. Cool, my first customer. A consumer is someone who buys goods or services. How do producers and consumers affect each other? A producer's supply is the amount of something available to consumers. This toy store has a big supply of super robots. The demand is how much consumers want something. These super robots are in high demand, and the store ran out of its supply. The demand is so high that other toy stores ran out of their supply too. When the demand for something is high and there isn't enough supply, the price may go up. Well, some people are willing to pay more if they really want something that's hard to get. But the price might go down if the demand goes down. Now there are new super duper robots, which are a lot cooler than the older ones. The demand for these toys is really high. Fewer people want the older toys, so the price has gone down. This way the store can sell them more easily. It might be hard to sell these photos, Moby. Can't beat that price.
Alrighty, so something to go over before we do our seesaw activity. I want to go over these two vocabulary words. So the first one is goods, so that those are things that are made or grown. So that's like your clothing, cell phones, computers, they're made, right? They're manufactured. Cars, those are all goods. Same thing with like wood, cotton, vegetables, fruit, things like that. Those are all things that are made or things that are grown. Okay, so that's a good. Service or services is work that someone does for someone else. So for example, like the dog walking service, a babysitter, a police officer, a nurse. Those are all services. Okay, so work that someone does for someone else. For your activity today on Seesaw, what you're going to do is you are going to, you see this? Okay, good. Okay, you are going to be watching a video, okay, about goods and services. Then from those goods and services, I want you to write or draw 3 goods and 3 services from the video, okay? Now here's the trick, and I'll put a little text box tool to help you remember. I want you to hit that microphone button in order to go back and describe one. You can describe one good and one service, or your second one, or your third one. I want you to describe what a good is and what a service is. So whatever picture, or if you wrote something here, I want you to tell me what it was, and same thing with a service, okay? So you're only picking one to talk about whenever you record your voice, but I want you to draw or write 3 goods from the video and 3 services from the video. Alrighty, well, that is all I have for you today, boys and girls. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.